Hi, I'm Katherine. I would just like to tell you how Enlightenment healing has literally changed my life. I went to an event held by Dr. Tricia Barrier and Dr. Rusty Barrier. They were doing Enlightenment healing. So I was sitting in the back of the room and I was watching them while they were healing these people. They were healing their shoulders, they were healing their knees and their backs, and they were doing this literally in minutes. And so I was so amazed. I attended a second event where they were doing the same thing, but this time they asked for people that had phobias. Well, all my life I've had social phobia. Some of my first memories having to attend family gatherings were just dreadful. Going to school was torturous. Working in the corporate world was so stressful. I mean, social phobia has impacted my life, has kept me from doing so many things that I would have liked to have done. And so when they asked for volunteers with a phobia, my hand just shot up. And I thought, I've got to be brave, I got to do this, because here's my chance. So fortunately, they called me up to the front of the room and they started asking me questions about my phobia, and I was shaking from head to toe, but I didn't care because I needed this fear gone. And so within a few minutes, I was exhausted, but I really felt so calm, and it was just amazing. And so since that session, I go places and I feel like I'm walking in somebody else's body because I don't feel the fears like I used to feel. And I still don't know how to act, but it's like I look around at these people and it's like they don't realize how amazing this is to walk through life without fear. And so I just want to say thank you to Dr. Tricia Barrier and Dr. Rusty Barrier for this Enlightenment healing. I love you guys.